Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a phone with the Spotify app updated and an account signed in. Now jump straight to the action. Tap search and then the small camera icon in the search bar. Once done, grant camera permission if prompted so the scanner can work. Line up the Spotify code inside the viewfinder. You don't need perfection, but steady hands and decent lighting help. This begins the process that takes you directly to the track, playlist, or profile behind the... You're in the thick of it now. Aim so the round barcode fills the scanner window and hold your phone still for a second. If the code is a saved photo, tap the gallery icon and pick that image. This bypasses live camera issues. Make small adjustments to distance and angle if the scanner struggles, and tap once to refocus if needed. Once the app recognizes the pattern, it will instantly open the linked song, album, playlist, or profile. No typing required. When the code opens the content, you can immediately play it. Tap Save to add to your library, or use the three-dot menu to add to a playlist or follow a profile. Once done, sharing is simple through the app's share sheet or by copying the link. If the scanner won't read the code, check the basics first. Increase screen brightness, retake a clearer screenshot, or scan from another device. Make sure the app is updated and retry. This usually fixes persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.